Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To change these wiper blades, it'll be the same for both sides. They're just a different length. You can lift them up off the windshield. There's a little plastic, sort of like a door here. It says open with an arrow. You can use a flat bladed screwdriver and just pop it up. That unlocks it. And you pull the wiper blade backwards and it'll come off of the hook that it's on. Maneuver it out. And to reinstall the blade, put the hook part in, hook it around. Whoops. We'll slide into place, push this little door down, locks it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.